Hi everyone, I hope that are you doing well. For the Unit 9, the word of money, I choose to talk about the impact of the coronavirus on the global economy for this 1-minute talk. As I say, the coronavirus impact many global economic activities. First, the trade exchange. It impedes production and weakens global demand, such as energy demand. Then, the financial interdependence. Its financial and moral impact has affected the global financial markets, which witnessed that it happened in the first performance since the outbreak of the height financial crisis in 2008. 3. Tourism and transportation. As it reduced the rate of flights and closed many airports around the world, because it's based on the global supply and demand. 4. The level of the local economy. There is the obstruction of the economic activities by impeding productions, services, transportation, tourism, shopping, and there is also the weakening of the supplies and the demands. I hope that you have benefited and enjoyed at the same time my 1-minute talk. Bye.